Alrighty, here we go. Got a little walkthrough work to show you. It has all been done with 3 coats of mud, final coat being a skim coat of this +3. It's awesome. Makes for a really nice smooth spread. And again, all of this sealing and a lot of this was actually a skim coat, so it's ready for sanding. But I got a little impatient, skim coated that wall and tiled back here. See, those are leveling little posts there. They pull each of the corners together. And see, as you can tell, I did a sealant across each of the seams all the way around that valve box there. See, everything is totally sealed in there. And then, see, there's our niche right there, all ready to go. And then you skim coat it all with your thin set. And I actually ran short on my leveling post there. So what I did to make sure, see, I took a piece of scrap for there and there and still anchored it so that it would keep it nice and flush. So when I put in my pieces next time, everything lines up. There you have it. Not bad for a day and a half.